So we have Spiros and Nicky. If you could please tell us your full names and titles.
I'm Spiros Kambourakis, Chief Technology Officer of Cellibre.
I'm Nicky Caiazza, Chief Scientific Officer of Cellibre.
First thing I'm going to direct you to Spiros is tell us about your business and your role with Cellibre.
So yeah, I'm the Chief Technology Officer. I oversee some of the scientific developments of the company, mainly on the protein biochemistry and protein engineering, and also the analytical group that you're probably mostly interested in. What Cellibre is doing is a synthetic biology company with focus in, as of now, making cannabinoids through fermentation. The whole idea is that we are developing a microorganism, a particular microorganism that is proprietary to our company, to make cannabinoids. Right now, we're focusing in mostly of the rare cannabinoids, like THCV, CBN, and the like. And we are just about actually to launch a couple of our new products by the end of this year, early 2023. So we're very excited about the progress of the company. Mind you, the company actually is only like 2.5 years old. Mm-hmm. So we went from nothing to a product very quickly.
I think as Spiros was mentioning, right, we're a synthetic biology company. He mentioned that cannabinoids were our first application in synthetic biology, but what we really are is a cellular manufacturing company. Right, if you look at what we do, if you look at nature, right, there's millions of products that nature produces on a regular basis every single day, right? Some of these products are very valuable. Some of these products have unique and interesting applications. Some of these molecules are very hard to access for the general person, just due to the fact that they're produced in low abundance in nature or difficult to manufacture from natural sources. And so our philosophy is that we can take these natural products that are, have difficult supply chains naturally and take these supply chains and move them from their traditional agricultural form and move them into biological organisms that we can grow in fermentation tanks. And so we can basically turn cells into mini manufacturing factories. I mean, I think there are plenty of synthetic biology companies in this space all over the US, all over the world for that matter, in terms of, it's a great idea, it's a great approach, right? And I think there are a lot of folks that are actually doing this, and it ranges from commodity chemicals to pharmaceuticals to food and nutrition applications to specialty chemicals. You name it, there's likely a synthetic biology solution that can be applied into those different applications. I think our approach is a little bit unique in the fact that we like to think about the application, what is the product we're trying to make, and then go out and find a novel cell type and engineer that cell type, we call it starting closer to the finish line. So if we can think about what attributes in a cell would be beneficial to make that product and go out and find a natural cell that has already chopped some of that wood for us and start us closer to the finish line, then it's less engineering that we have to do. But that is one of our areas of expertise, the fact that we can work with non-traditional organisms, develop those tools, techniques to engineer them rapidly, and then employ those to start closer to the finish line. And as Spiros said, in 2 years go from ideation to nearly commercial.